Hello, this is Brian Rezny, president of Rezny Wealth Management. It's question and answer day. And one of the questions, again, we're seeing quite a bit coming through is about obviously bonds and interest rates. Are interest rates going to keep going up? We don't see that a lot. And what about bond investments in general? If you own bond investments at this point in time, really do not stretch and go further out on the yield curve. What I would suggest again, and I've talked about this, 3 to 5 year average maturity right now is pretty much all you need to do. Rates on the shorter end, under that 5-year mark, are really the higher interest rate end. Eventually those rates are not going to last because we see rates obviously being pulled back down as the economy, we're seeing signs of a slowdown, and the Federal reverses course maybe the second half of this year. So if you are buying bonds, the type of bonds really to buy, or I should say the duration of bonds, would really be under 5 years, an average 3 to 5 in that range. That's kind of that sweet spot. If rates go down, the values could go up, and you can make capital appreciation and cash those bonds out early. So again, bonds are not just buy and hold, they're buy. Look at the circumstances around interest rates and how it affects the bond value. And at some point, you may keep them to maturity, or you may sell them before maturity if rates come down for a higher rate of return or capital appreciation, more than you would get if you kept the bonds to maturity. If you're not a client of our firm, it's time you became a client. Make sure you go to ReznyWealth.com, download our groundbreaking report, the 3 biggest risks you must avoid now. One of the comments I hear from a lot of people, excellent report. It opened their eyes to really the risks that really wreak havoc in the retirement and pre-retirement portfolios. And as I've always stressed, never wait to call Rezny Wealth Management. Schedule a consultation if you'd like to talk about our services. If you're at all unhappy with the communication, the service you're getting, the money management with your current firm, it's time you stepped up to Rezny Wealth Management. You will be happy and ecstatic with our money management services. Give us a call. We'd love to help you with your portfolio. Have a safe and profitable day.